Hello YouTube. Recently got email about a review of this beautiful car, Race Apex Factory. So it is battery operated car, remote controlled, 2.4 GHz. Let's start with first the remote, what it contains. 3 battery AA, which is good option. Some cool batteries, doesn't matter which one. It is important that each cell is 1.5 volt. We have here just on-off switch, throttle, which is just a switch, it's not a proportional throttle, and also proportional remote left or right or middle. Inside car we have switch here, turn off. When we want to charge battery, it requires to open to release this screw, and inside is nickel cadmium battery. So since I'm on field, I carry my own charger with me. Also from Banggood. And in packet you will not get a screwdriver, but you will get this charger adapter. So clip like this, and let's untangle. And it takes a while until charge, maybe hour or two. Here is blinking LED, I don't know whether you can see. And this is it. Time of driving is not too long, and time of charging is a bit longish, but yeah, it's useful. Let me repeat what is inside transmitter. 3 batteries AA, something like this, and also screw for securing door. Screwdriver is not included in the package, just ordinary random screwdriver, small one, and it is not proportional. So this means that it has only left and right and not proportional angle. Also the throttle is not proportional, just switch back and forth. Okay, go. Refreshing experience after quadcopters, and especially after programming. Little bit of fun on the road, so that season just begins in northern hemisphere of the earth, so that you can drive car. There will be probably a little bit of flying, quadcopters, airplanes and everything else. So yeah, people, excellent car for training, for kids, for you, for me. Please like, share and subscribe, and buy this car on Banggood. I will put link in the description. Bye!